In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in ClipChamp. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to start creating. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the ClipChamp website. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the login button. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to finish loading or widen your browser window so the full header appears. This takes you straight to the Microsoft sign-in flow, because ClipChamp is part of the Microsoft family. Next, choose how you want to sign in. You can use a personal Microsoft account, which includes Outlook, Hotmail, or Live. If your organization provides access, you can sign in with a work or school account. In some cases, you may also see the option to continue with Google. That path ultimately connects you to Microsoft on the back end. So pick whichever option matches the account you actually use for ClipChamp. If you're unsure which one to choose, think about where your projects live, personal or organizational, and select accordingly. Now enter your credentials. Type the email address associated with your chosen sign-in method, then click Next. When prompted, enter your password carefully and select Sign In. If your browser offers to save the password and you're on a trusted device, that can make future logins faster, but it's completely optional. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, complete the quick verification step. That might mean entering a code sent to your email or authenticator app, or approving a notification on a trusted device. Follow the on-screen prompts until you see confirmation that the sign-in was successful. If a code doesn't arrive right away, check your spam or wait a few seconds before requesting a new one. Once you're in, ClipChamp will load your dashboard. This is your creative home base. Front and center, you'll see your recent and saved projects, so you can jump right back into editing without hunting around. You'll also find a wide range of templates to help you get started quickly, great for social posts, presentations, and quick promos. And of course, the video editor is just a click away, where you can import media, trim clips, add text, and export when you're done. That's all you need to log into ClipChamp. Click Login, choose the right account, enter your credentials, verify if asked, and you'll land on your dashboard ready to create. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your editing.